Does that work, or do you just have? I think you just have to right-click. This is a Mac 17315. Now this is fun, almost funnier that it doesn't. Fresh case. If there's a Man City card, we'll randomise. If not, no point. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Up first, it's for Chelsea to 49, Mark Cucurella. Rookie, Joe Aribo to 49 for Southampton. To 99, Roberto Ayala for Argentina. Oh, next card is actually quite nice. Elegant Ink Silver. We'll get that up close on the focus. Eduardo Camavinga. Very nice there. Someone will tell me which of his teams that goes to. Next is Shea Given for Newcastle, number 12/99. To 99, it is Tim Howard, bad posture for the United States, 1999. Camavinga's Real Madrid. Thank you. And finally, to 49 for Southampton, Ink, Gareth Bale, 29/49, and that is very nice. That's a good little box of Immaculate 17315.